Today we're going to do an unboxing on this Echo Show 5. Just picked this up from Amazon. I have the Echo Dot at work, and I have it connected with some smart plugs. Got some smart plugs right there. And you know what? I got home and I was like, I kind of miss my Alexa. So, purchased this one here. Let me get out of the box. And this is everything. It comes with a set of instructions and the power cable. This one has a little screen built into it with a camera there on board, which is cool. Oh, and look at, you could block the camera out. That's what's up. So let's plug this in and fire it up. This plugs in right in the back, and there it is booting up. I did get this on Black Friday sale, so it came out to like 40 bucks when it's originally like 80-90 bucks. I was gonna buy an Echo Dot, and that's why I couldn't miss out on this opportunity and got this one. Oh, this sounds pretty dang good. It has a lot of bass to it. And we'll do the setup here, and I already have it preloaded. You can choose the option to load up your account into this here, so it's already pretty much set. Just continue the settings, and it's
updating this device.
That thing has a lot of bass to it. I like it. And this little packet here in blue gives you the setup instructions of how to set up everything here. And then it is in a different language, and it continues. Sweet. So that's basically it. So you just set it up, it's updating, it should be connecting. Once you have all your settings connected, you are able to use Alexa and connect some smart plugs like this and be able to control power outlets. I really like it. That's why I decided to bring it home. Purchase another one for at home, because the one that I have at work, I have it connected to lights, I have a fan connected to it. I have it connected to a Bluetooth speaker, so it's even louder, plays the music that I want. I have a subscription with Pandora and Amazon Music, so it plays a lot of all that on that device. And it's just, Alexa do this, Alexa do that. Tells me the weather, tells me when it's gonna rain, tells me everything. So that's why I wanted to get one. And this one's pretty cool. Like I said, this one has the camera on board, the touchscreen in the front. It comes with extra bass speaker. I really like it. And that's my review. We'll see how it comes out once everything is loaded. See what's on the screen, see what you can do with it. I don't know if you can download apps. Probably. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Alright, and it's restarting on its own. Alright, and then you just continue to do the setup on the screen. Alright.
This device is ready.
Sweet. I don't know what to mess with. I'll figure it out later. Alexa, what's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's picking up my son's phone.
Good evening. The current weather is 59 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect lots of clouds with showers, with a low of 47 degrees.
Nice. Sweet. And there it is. Let me see what else she could do.
I'm excited to show you a few things that you may not have tried yet. Let's get started. You can ask me to add items time and land at New York JFK at 4:29 p.m. Feliz cumpleaños.
That's what's up.
Great.
It's giving me a tutorial.
You can ask me to translate words and phrases, and I can also help with things like reservations, finding restaurant offers, or placing an order.
Alright, and that's basically it, I guess. Some more settings that you could do. Alexa, what can you do on this device?
I have a lot to offer. I excel in games, relaxation, education, entertainment, and more. Sure, games. I excel in adventure games.
Let's do classic games.
Okay, classic games. Here's one called Hot Potato. I can help with echo button games, educational games, family,
Anyways,
hide and seek is one of the most played games.
rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, funny games. Would you like to give silly things a try? Or you can ask for more options. As you wish. Here's rock, paper, scissors. Let's play. At the count of 3 say rock, paper, or scissors. Ready? 1, 2, 3 go.
Rock.
Good grief. I should have known you would play that. Rock, blunt, scissors. I have 0, you have 1 point.
Nice.
Let's play again.
I guess
Rock,
you could play
paper, or
bluff with her
scissors?
too. You go into settings and change all kinds of settings. Oh, it even has a built-in equalizer. Nice. Alexa, try something bassy for the new audio
Sorry,
settings.
I don't know that.
Alright. Alexa, open up YouTube.
Here is YouTube.
Let me see if she does it. What? That's what's up. She has a built-in browser. That's cool. That is pretty cool. Alright. You got me, Alexa. This is pretty dope. Home. Cool. I like it. Thumbs up. Worth every penny. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.